Back with another video. Hey, I said we back with another video.
That 4 inches deep already.
Hey, another video, another day, man. We trying to get right, man. We got this Carmi right now. Hey, my dog don't play, man. The supercharged. Supercharged. The way that yes me lights on this, they were like, this shit was fucked up.
Tell Ray to come here.
Hey, let me know in the comments, man. 5K OBO, you know. Let me know 5K OBO, or just the best offer, best offer, best offer. Hey, 5K OBO, whoever wants to let me know. We have a day trader here, but we can't say who it is. If we say who's the day trader,
But you're right next to him.
you right next to him. What the fuck?
So I show him my 80K on Bitcoin?
Hey, cheers. No, we can't right now. I don't want to. You know, I lost 100 bands today, but it's fine though, because it happens to the best of us.
Hey, we lost 100 bands today. Tomorrow we'll make 200. It don't matter.
You know, right now we all have. What kind of vehicle do you have?
SRT.
What kind of vehicle do you have, man?
Super and the
What kind
Ferrari.
of vehicle do you have?
I got the Alpha.
Okay. What kind of vehicle do you have, Brody?
I came on foot.
There you go. You know, I came in with my souped up SRT red eye last call.
Yep. Hey.
Hey, Ray.
Hey, imagination right now.
No, where'd Ray go? What the fuck? He just disappeared.
How did he lose it, Ray?
Ray over there. Ray. Hey, my boy Ray said this twin turbo V8 6.0
He's trying to get a supercharger in it.
all-wheel drive. He's gonna get a twin charge.
You're trying to get 5 turbos in that thing. The frame's better. Fuck with supercharger.
If y'all wanted 2K OBO, 2K OBO.
Not even. Maybe like
Hey,
50
y'all
let
let
us
us
know
know
right now. We'll strike the router, the TRX.
Hey,
the
let me know right now. We'll strike every fucking.
Hey, this shit easy right now. Comment right now. I want it. Comment number 1 if you want it.
Hey, we do our own.
Hey, let's have the TRX for pink slips. For slips. For pink slips.
Hey, let's fucking go pink slips right now.
I want to go pink slips for everybody here.
And what?
And everybody here. Everybody here. I want to put my last dollar on here. Hey, so we telling the camera what kind of vehicles we came today. What kind of vehicle do you have?
Who already did it?
Oh, we all did it.
I already told them that you had the 6.0 twin turbo. It's going to be twin charged.
But you came with a different vehicle. What other vehicle did you come with, huh? You came with 2 vehicles.
It came in the Supra.
Stop the cap.
Today, hey, in today's video, we finna be striking everybody's truck today.
Hey, starting with this one.
You don't even know how to turn it on.
Nah, I do. Let me try.
Push the start.
Just push the start.
I know, but the way to keep it on, the gears, bro. It's not just park, reverse, neutral, and drive.
Oh, super!
Then over here is a V6.
I am, but I'm just like.
That's like in the back. They was letting anybody river right now, bro. I start going ham. Right, cameraman? They were letting people river outside be going ham. I'm like,
Hey, we back with another video. Hey, I said we back with another. That shit was tough. Hey, that little boy tough, man. It's just tough. He's about to go next,
rabbit. Hey!
Oh!
Stop laughing at him. That's our homeboy.
That's my boy.
Oh.
That's not me.
Where's next? Where's next? Ray, let's go right now. Let's go right now.
Let's ride.
Te lo confieso que no has visto dónde da paso a la rutina para llamarte la atención. Vamos a echarme el grito, ya tú sabes mi calle, te la yo. No, mami, por Dios, que motor. Te lo confieso que no has visto dónde da paso a la rutina para llamarte la atención. Te va a bajar de la luz.
I got no power steering fluid. I got no power steering fluid.
Oh, make us fast, pop.
Trying to raise these guys right here. See what's going on.
They're not gonna say no because they're gonna be peer pressure for the camera. Oh God. Give me. We finna ask them.
What's up, bro?
Yo, I'm trying to race. Huh? Anybody.
Yeah, tell him.
Yeah, tell him.
Yo. Let's be like, this lady's on. You got it, bro?
Nah, show the camera.
To the camera when we trying to race.
Hey, you the fast one, bro. Yeah, bro.
The fast one?
He said, "No,
Get it, bro.
Damn, they don't want to, bro.
They don't want the smoke?
They too scared or
They
what?
too scared?
Who?
I think so. I don't know.
No violence.
Okay.
Nah, that nigga must have
Cat.
fast, bro.
On the Hellcat.
Where's the Hellcat?
In on the Mustang.
Where's it at?
You gonna bring it right now?
Bring it, let's see it.
Let's see it.
You gotta see it? You gotta see it before you wanna race.
Let's see it.
No popping hoods, just straight run. Which one, right? Dig or
Let's see it. You gotta bring it.
Let's see, bro. I can't get on this.
That shit an hour away. We're gonna be at the fight that by the time we get back. Oh hell, ain't nobody gonna bring it.
Y'all got like 3 Hellcats right there. Why don't they run?
The Mustang smoke all of them. But the Mustang back at home, we gotta go get it though. That's the thing. It's in Belle Glade. It's in the garage, you know. Y'all want to set up a day? If y'all want to set up a day, we can do it.
What's it done? What's it? Hey, we trying to get some race, man, but niggas.
Nigga, they can't see it, but I ain't, nigga, it's great.
What's done to this?
Huh?
What's done to this?
It's just sound pipe.
Straight pipe?
Downpipe too.
Downpipe and tune. That's it. Hey, Greasy, want to race though?
Not even tuned. It's not like really tuned like that.
Y'all want to do a fun run for today? And then when we bring out the Mustang, we can do money. Just race. You want to do it for fun?
Let's get that racing, dog.
Where y'all be racing at though here?
Bro, there's hella spots around Shelby.
So we ain't from out here though.
They're not, man.
I know spots. 60. So who I run right now?
And you want to go first with me?
All right,
All right, bet.
Hey, I'm 50 though.
Hey, now I'm in. You win, so you have to come in.
I'm in, but you gotta record though.
Yeah, I got you. Yeah, but bring it.
Yeah, I'll even because I got like.
No, I don't want too much weight now.
I got 5 people in my car.
My shit heavy as fuck, cuz.
Yeah. You want to hunk it? You want me to hunk it?
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, all this racing gonna make me throw up. Hey, man, I got that ass on him.
Hey, you sent me, right? about y'all do a 50 or whatever? You spin. Yo, I spun all the way to 4th gear.
We're spinning too much. We don't got no hard triple A.
Yo, Yahtzee, can I fuck you?
No.
Bring some in, bring some in. No. Hold on, we're racing, hold on. You wanna turn around right here? Yeah, we can turn around. Go on. He got you?
He got him.
Hey, off a 50, bro. Think about it.
I had 5,
Hey, man, you pretty tough for a stock ass plug, nigga.
Yeah, I'm saying, guys. Hey, race me.
Hey, you got the Mustang though.
Hey, I did get that. I mean, race me. I got him.
I gotta climb him for it. I
Think his side skirt fell off.
Bro, his whole wide body's coming off. What do you mean?
Yeah, you look. Yeah. Hold on.
The side skirt. It's all gone. Your whole side skirt came off.
Hey, that shit pretty quick. Your shit's higher in the higher numbers. I ain't even gonna lie.